Hello everyone, my name is Angie Platten. I am the PE teacher at Olson Elementary. I remember the day that Miss McLaughlin and the Olson family was there and we were able to cut that ribbon in 2009.
I love the classes, the PE room, the art room, the music room.
Olson Elementary right now feels like home for me and for a lot of us. It feels comfy and cozy, but it has started to show some wear and tear in certain places of the school.
The colors of Olson Elementary are white, blue, and green. When I look around the hallways and the school in general, it does not look like Olson colors.
I'm looking forward to seeing this school with new carpet, new paint, the whole building being new.
We're really ecstatic that we can have more space for our children.
I'm mostly excited to see how the school looks.
Wow, just look at this place.
Well, the Saturday before school, I am an early bird, so I was at 6 a.m. fresh, opening that door, first person in the school. I came in from the front entrance to get the whole picture. It was amazing.
When I first came here at Meet the Teacher night, my mind was blown. First, I entered the doors, and even like the office area when you first enter is amazing.
When I first walked in on teacher night, it was so amazing. It was like the carpet was blue, gray, and green. It felt like a river was going through the school.
Isn't it amazing?
I saw drawings of the school, of what it was going to be like, but when I came in, this place is even better.
Walking into Olson's gymnasium, it's just amazing. If you look around, the colors are beautiful, it's bright, it looks friendly.
Every morning this year, I'm excited to go to school because it's just so great. Everything's new, everything's so pretty here.
Our students and staff are thrilled to get to have school in this beautiful building every day. We certainly appreciate the collaboration spaces, the new library structures, and just the openness and the opportunity that students get to have to dialogue with one another at really any point in the building. We at Olson thank you so much to all who voted for the 2024 bond that allows us to enjoy this beautiful space every single day. Thank you for making a difference in our lives and many students' lives as well.